Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Luminar for cinematic color grading on videos. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading and installing Luminar on your computer. Open the Luminar application after the installation process is complete. Ensure you have your video file ready for editing and color grading. Locate the Add Media button in the Luminar interface. Click on the Add Media button and select your video file from your computer. Once your video is loaded, navigate to the Edit tab. In this tab, you will find various tools for color grading. Begin with the Color panel, where you can adjust basic color settings. Use the exposure slider to optimize your video's brightness. Adjust the contrast to enhance the distinction between light and dark areas. Next, focus on the temperature and tint sliders to achieve the desired warmth in your video. For cinematic color grading, turn your attention to the Color Grading section. Here, you can manipulate shadows, midtones, and highlights individually. Adjust the shadows for cooler tones to create depth in your video. Manipulate the midtones to find a balanced look that fits your vision. Enhance the highlights to bring out brightness in key areas. Utilize the LUTs feature for professional preset looks. Explore the available LUTs and apply one that complements your video style. You can further fine-tune the intensity of the applied LUT. Next, check the HSL panel for advanced color adjustments. This panel allows for fine-tuning of individual colors like reds, greens, and blues. Return to the main workspace to preview your adjustments in real time. Make any further tweaks if necessary to achieve your desired cinematic look. Once satisfied with your color grading, click on Export. Choose your output settings, including format and resolution. Finally, click Export to save your newly graded cinematic video. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.